and a good Thursday. How about it, folks? It's the last day of 2020, December 31st. Let's all hope and pray 2021 is a much better year for all of us. Boy, we've been through the ringer this year, I know, huh, folks? Weather-wise, lots to talk about in weather headlines. Severe thunderstorms over parts of the lower Mississippi Valley and the central Gulf Coast. We got a chance of excessive rainfall over parts of the southern plains and the lower Mississippi Valley. Then, of course, we have rain and freezing rain that should be going on from the southern plains to the northeast, and heavy snow for western Texas. Now, we're looking at the NDFD map, and I have it set for 12 o'clock today. This is the 12Z run. You can see right in here where it is orange. That is ice. The ice will start by around the 12Z run at 12 today in parts of Texas and move up into a little of Oklahoma. Now, where you see this purple, this is a mix. This is a mix. Now, all of this is going to move across, but also today we have this other front coming in from the west coast. Now, it's bringing some heavier snow up into Washington State, parts of Idaho, and you can see all around in these areas where the snow is moving. And they have a little, also, severe line right in this area where the snow changes over to rain, so they could have some severe storms. Now, when we come to this afternoon at the 18Z run, 6 this afternoon, you can see right in this area, we do have a chance of severe weather today. I'm going to show you all about it right in this little area of Texas and a large portion of Louisiana. You could have some severe thunderstorms today, maybe even some tornadoes. And you know, yesterday I showed you in Texas, they had a chance of tornadoes. Sure enough, they had one in Texas yesterday. Now, by midnight Friday, you can see how everything is moving across. Rain's moving over to the East Coast. We have a large area where some severe areas could hatch up down south here in the Florida Panhandle and all the way across. By the 6 a.m. run, that ice starts for Friday morning. The 6Z run early Friday morning. All of this ice is going to start to spread now from Texas, Oklahoma, parts of Nebraska, Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio. Now, by Saturday, you see how it's moving up? This is the midnight run. Lots of rain for the East Coast starting at some point later today, but it will start today, and folks, it's going to rain all weekend off and on. By the 12 o'clock run, you can see parts of Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, heavy snow right up in this area here. And for South China, Maine, here's an example. By Saturday, expect rain, snow, and sleet at 100% chance. 2 to 4 inches of snow and sleet accumulation. One thing for sure, folks, today we have widespread significant weather hazards all across the lower 48. Now, where should the severe thunderstorm activity take place? You can see, as I showed you on the NDFD map, you can see it better here though. It is up to a number 3 for a portion of eastern Texas, a large portion of Louisiana, and a little bit of southwestern Mississippi. But it goes on over into Alabama to a slight and then marginal. Anywhere in these areas you could have a chance of a storm to pop up. Mostly the most significant those, right with the orange and the yellow. Folks need to pay attention, because these severe thunderstorms do have the potential for tornadoes possible, and this will happen today through tonight from southeast Texas into the lower Mississippi Valley and the central Gulf Coast states. What is that chance of tornadoes? 10% chance. Now, that's a pretty significant chance. It was 2 yesterday, and we had 1. So be aware, my friends. 10% in the yellow, 5% in the brown, 2% in the green. So far as wind goes, the wind is going to be very significant from the Florida and Alabama panhandles up into Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, and also in Texas. And there is also a slight 5% chance of some hail with these storms. So please be careful and watch your skies if you're out and about. If you're into the weather and you like to keep up with what's going on or what might be headed your way, please subscribe, click that bell, and check off all to ensure you get all of my latest weather videos to keep you informed about what may be coming your way. I'd appreciate it a lot. And if you ever have any weather pictures, any sky phenomena pictures, anything like that of any types of weather you'd like to share with us, please click Show More, scroll down. You'll find my email address to send them to. Also, when you click Show More, scroll down, you'll find all the watches, warnings, and hazardous weather advisories for today posted with a link there. Click that link, it'll take you right to them. Now, of course, we have the future radar. Let's just turn it on right quick, let it roll, and let me tell you what to expect. Now, a front is extending from the northeast southwestward to the western Gulf Coast. Now, it's going to move off the northeast northern mid-Atlantic coast by this evening. Now, rain and snow is going to develop along and near the boundary over the northeast. Now, that's going to move off the northeast coast by this evening, and areas of rain will develop over parts of the central Appalachians, southern mid-Atlantic to the southeast, and lower Mississippi valleys today. Now, showers and thunderstorms, they're going to develop, of course, as I've showed you and told you, over parts of the western Gulf Coast. That's going to move into the lower Mississippi Valley, the central Gulf Coast overnight tonight. Now, showers and thunderstorms are going to bring heavy rainfall today into tomorrow, New Year's Day, across parts of the southern plains, lower Mississippi Valley, where we have seen all of these watches and warnings. Also today, this afternoon, a wave of low pressure over the western Gulf Coast, it's going to intensify and then move to the northeast by Saturday morning. Now, snow will develop over western Texas today as colder air moves into this region behind the low. And there's already some snow going on in western Texas as of now. Now, the snow will end over the southern plains New Year's Day morning. By Friday into Saturday, the showers and thunderstorms are going to move from the central Gulf Coast to the southeast. Overnight tonight, an area of rain and freezing rain. That's when it's going to develop, as I've showed you, over parts of the southern plains into parts of the middle Mississippi Valley. The freezing rain area will move northward into western Ohio Valley areas, then move into parts of the lower Great Lakes, northern mid-Atlantic by tomorrow evening. Now, by Saturday morning, pockets of this rain and freezing rain is going to extend from southern Michigan to parts of New England. Meanwhile, rain moves into parts of the Ohio Valley, central Appalachians by tomorrow morning. The rain will continue over the mid-Atlantic into Saturday morning. In the meantime, multiple systems will move into the northwest, moving to the northern high plains by Saturday. Now, the systems will produce rain and higher elevation snow over the Pacific Northwest and to northern central California, and snow developing over parts of the northern Intermountain region and the Great Basin by today. Now, the rain and snow will start to slow down and wane down a little over parts of the northwest by tonight, returning by tomorrow evening, though. It's going to return, and it's going to continue right into Saturday morning. Folks, it's been a year. I want to thank everyone for the cards you send me, the donations you send me, just watching my videos and sharing my videos and giving me a thumbs up. I appreciate it so much. I love you guys so much. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. And if you are out traveling later this evening in any of these areas, please be careful, because all of these hazardous impacts are going to happen. Peace, love, and kindness to each and every one of you. May each of you have a great day and a happy new year. It's coming in soon, not far away. Thanks for watching.